This dual-pack compressor kit will provide 200 PSI and a 100% duty cycle to your system. It is the ideal air source solution for any air suspension kit, air horns or your on-the-go pneumatic needs. Features horizontal cooling fins and a trapezoidal head designed for optimal heat dissipation. The kit includes 2 chrome-look air compressors with standard 3/8 of an inch stainless steel braided hoses and 3/8 of an inch NPT inline check valves, 2 heavy-duty 40 Ampere relays with pre-wired plugs, pressure switch, premium inline 60 Ampere fuse with waterproof holder, 2 40 Ampere inline fuses and mounting hardware. Ideal for all vehicles with a 12-volt system.